Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this July 15th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Monday out there so far. Everybody has a great Monday evening. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because that's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about your forecast for Tuesday and Wednesday. Also, the weather radar currently across the nation. Also, the watch and warn advisory map. Also, the Storm Prediction Center outlook for your Tuesday. And also, we're going to take a look at the tropics toward the end of this period as well over the next 2 weeks. Right now, everything looks quiet at this time, so we'll continue to hope it stays that way. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also, like these videos, share these videos, and let's go get the show on the road there, folks. Alright, you can see we got thunderstorms and showers up here from portion of Maine to the Carolina, down to the Florida Keys, back into the Gulf of Mexico, to Louisiana, Mississippi, to Tennessee, back to New Mexico and Arizona, also into Utah, and also supporting Nevada, a little bit of Montana, also stretching far northward as the Dakotas, and also Minnesota. Alright, we have some severe weather possible in portions of Colorado to Kansas, also in the portion of Oklahoma, and again from Ohio back in the portion of New York State. Also some flash flooding and heavy rain from portion of Missouri, also into Pennsylvania as well. All of this activity is for your Tuesday, July 16th. We have dry high pressure in charge of much of Canada, western U.S., portions of the Gulf of California, portion of Texas, Mexico, down to the Yucatan Peninsula, Jamaica, Cuba, and the Bahamas, and also in the portion of New Brunswick as well, and Newfoundland also. Alright, let's move on to your Wednesday forecast. As you can see, we got thunderstorm and shower from up here in Maine, all the way down to Pennsylvania, all the way down into Carolina, Florida, Georgia, also the Gulf of Mexico to Texas, back to New Mexico, Arizona, Nevada, also toward Wyoming, also portions of South Dakota and Nebraska. A few pockets of scattered showers and storms reported in Montana through Washington, Oregon State as well. Some heavy rain and flash flooding over portions of Colorado and also New Mexico. All of this activity is for your Wednesday, July 17th. Otherwise, dry high pressure in charge of much of Canada, portion of northern U.S., western U.S., the Gulf of California, Mexico, Texas, also down to the Yucatan Peninsula, Jamaica, Cuba, the Bahamas, Newfoundland, and portion of New Brunswick as well. Alright, let's take a look at the radar currently across the nation. You can see we got scattered activity out west from portions of Wyoming down toward the western Nebraska through Colorado, New Mexico, Arizona, Utah to Nevada, back to California, and also Oregon State. We have a cluster of showers and storms up here in portions of Iowa, moving into portions of Wisconsin, also northern Illinois. More scattered activity over southwestern Texas, northeastern Mexico, and again from Louisiana into the Carolinas as well, and also down into Florida. We got more showers and storms up here in southeast Canada, stretching down into portions of New York State and eastern Pennsylvania. We have some severe weather in the yellow boxes, severe thunderstorm warning, or tornado warning in the red. Over here in portion of New York State, also over here in portions of southern Wisconsin, northern Illinois. We also have some flash flood warnings in the green areas as well. We got a few severe thunderstorm warnings down in South Carolina, North Carolina as well, and also southern Arizona as well, and one over here in portion of Wyoming. Alright, let's move on to the watches warning advisory map for your locations across the nation. Alright, you can see we got heat advisory from Maine down into eastern Carolina. We've got a few pockets of excessive heat warnings there as well in South Carolina, North Carolina, portions of Virginia, Delaware, D.C., up in Pennsylvania region. Also, there's that line of severe thunderstorm warnings and thunderstorm watches up here in New York State. Excessive heat watches also in portions of New York State, and also the Outer Banks of North Carolina. We got a lot of heat advisory from portion of West Virginia all the way back over to portion of Kansas, Nebraska, North Texas. A few pockets in portion of Colorado, New Mexico, and over in Washington, Oregon State. Stretching more activity, more watch the heat advisory that Louisiana back into portion of Mississippi, Alabama. Sets of heat warnings there as well in portion of Tennessee, also in Alabama, also in portion of Arkansas, also in Oklahoma, portions of Nebraska, and also in the portions of Iowa. Also, there's the severe thunderstorm watch there with the ongoing severe thunderstorm warnings in the yellow and tornado warnings in the red. Alright, special weather statements. South Texas, in the portion of Wyoming, also in the portions of Nebraska, same with Washington, Oregon State. Red flag warnings there as well, and some flood warnings also to the north of California. Also some excessive heat watches in effect for portions of Idaho and also Oregon. Also, we have some air quality alerts for portions of Wyoming, also into portions of Oregon State as well. Small craft advisories over here in portions of Washington, or Oregon State, Southern California, and also along the Outer Banks of North Carolina. Same again for the Hawaiian Chain Island, around the island there as well. Some high surf warnings there also, the Hawaiian Chain Island. Alright, Storm Prediction Center time. Severe weather from portions of Watertown down toward portions of West Virginia. Same over here in portions of Nebraska, down in the portion of Woodward, Liberal, Garden City areas. Marginal risk from Cheyenne all the way to New York State, all the way to Evansville. Marginal risk there. Like there's a general thunderstorm elsewhere. Tornado probability over here in portions of North Dakota, Nebraska, also in the portions of let's see, New York State, also up in the portion of Vermont area. Damaging winds. We have 5% in the brown, and then 15% in the yellow, and then the large hail, 5% and 15% respectively. Alright, and here is the tropical weather outlook for the next 2 weeks. Alright, we're going to make it a little bigger. As you can see, pretty much dry condition. Nothing expected there in the Gulf of Mexico, the Atlantic Ocean, or the Caribbean Sea. Same down into portions of the areas of the Caribbean Sea, Gulf of Mexico, and also the Atlantic Ocean. Alright, well, hope everybody enjoyed the video. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. We'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Monday evening, folks. Take care.